Howdy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about we're going to root some azaleas, evergreen variety. So this is how I do them. When I do them, we're going to use sand, but I've mixed vermiculite in it. We're going to put it into, this is a Sunny D bottle. Now that's another thing. If you ever keep anything, if you ever have any drink bottles, the best thing, keep them. They work great for pots. And I cut holes already in the bottom of this poke hole so it'll drain out and cut this off. So it makes a great pot for you, especially doing cuttings in. So we're just going to fill up this with some sand. And this got vermiculite mixed in it so it'll help, so it won't stick so much. This wasn't very coarse sand I got, but hopefully it'll still work, but they want it. Alright, it should be enough. Alright, well, now when you're, I've already got about 50 cuttings already taken. I'm gonna put rooting hormone on them, but I'm gonna use I'm gonna show you this right here what I did. I just cut the limbs off the tree already. Cut the limbs off. A friend of mine was gonna prune up the bush anyway, or eventually probably get rid of it, but I went and take the cuttings off. I just cut the limbs off so I have 4 or 5 on each stick when I got the cuttings. So now I just take them off. That's all I'm doing, and discard that. Some of these leaves, and these should work. Stick in there. This one needs to be trimmed. This one needs to be trimmed off that skin, ripped off of it. So, yeah, and this one too. Now, I hope we're 100% on these, but it might and it might not. Haven't done azaleas in a long time, and but if we're going to use these, we're going to use some rooting hormone on these. I've already wet them in water. They were sitting in water already for a little while. Most of them were, but I was still going to wet some of them and put them in the rooting hormone already when I do them. So I'm not going to show all of this because it's going to be, and this would take all day. So there's going to be about 50 of them here, I believe, what I counted. Okay, just about got all these. How much I'm going to get in here anyway. We'll put some in another one. We'll add some more to another thing just a second. Well, off camera, but kind of spread them out more than I should have, I guess. Alright, we got these in there, so we got these done right here. They ain't quite 50 in here, but I'm going to do another thing. I'm going to do it off camera. I'm not going to do it, record it too, doing the same thing. Drag this out. So, that's just a simple way of doing azalea cuttings. Like I said, this is the evergreen variety, so maybe in a couple months we should have these rooted. If we root in real good, I'm just gonna mist them over the top, wet them down good, just like if it was in a misting machine, being misted on a timer. We just mist them, get them pretty misted in, and then we'll just wait. We'll mist them every day, or every couple times a day. Just check them, see how good they're doing, and well, they should root in pretty well. Well, if you liked the video, leave a comment below or a question, and like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Until next time.